Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I got some drip, but that doesn't matter. My cousin, I even forgot his, wait, oh my god, it's so loud. Turn on captions if you can hear me, because I cannot hear myself. Alright, I need to find my cousin, MarcRevolver. MarcRevolver, the YouTuber MarcRevolver. Red block, whatever it is. I need to find him. He said he'd be haunted. So I gotta find my cousin. Right? Leave a comment and share down below if you know where you think he is. But let's find him. Alright, I can't see anything. Oh my god! Alright, let's find my cousin. Oh, there he is. Run! Oh my god! Run! Move! Yes, catch him! Catch him! Ryan! Ryan, where are you? You're safe! I am safe, fella! We need to find him! A-S-A-P! Where is he? Where is he? Where is Brian? MarcRevolver, where are you? Oh my god! You know, I really can't hear myself. Right. Guys, we're gonna need to do something real fast to find MarcRevolver. For now, I'm gonna put you guys here. If you see my cousin, that guy, check out in the comments right below. I'll see the comments soon. Check these footage. I dare you to check it. Come on guys, find my cousin. Please, leave content. Get away!
Okay, this is gonna be the last song tonight. Okay, lagu penutup malam tu. Lagu penutup malam tu. Okay.
Here. Guys, we need to end the video. Quickly, subscribe now. Find my cousin. Part 2 will come out.